Receiving an I miss you text from a crush or partner can evoke a range of emotions. Whether you're eager to reciprocate, feeling uncertain due to past awkwardness, or indifferent. Regardless of your feelings, it's important to acknowledge their emotions and, if you feel the same, express your thoughts openly. Reconnecting, even after a busy period, can enhance understanding of your relationship and communication styles. If initial conversations feel stilted, give it time and don't hesitate to add some flirtation, if appropriate. If they don't respond immediately, they may just need space, so consider following up with a casual invitation. Nostalgia can strengthen your bond, making it worthwhile to share experiences you wish they could have joined. Be straightforward about your feelings and plans, whether for in-person or virtual meetups, while also setting boundaries if necessary. If the relationship feels toxic or lacks romantic feelings, it's okay to suggest staying friends or to move on entirely. Ultimately, reflect on whether the connection enriches your life and communicate openly about your desire for the future.